Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Power Apps Copilot for automated app workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Power Apps Copilot for automated app workflows, begin by logging into your Power Apps account. Once logged in, navigate to the Power Apps dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to view your existing applications. Next, select a specific app where you want to enable the Copilot functionality. Open the app in edit mode by clicking on its name. In the app editor, go to the Settings option from the left-hand menu. Within the Settings menu, find the Features section. Scroll down to locate the Copilot feature toggle. Switch the toggle to On to enable Copilot for this app. After activating Copilot, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Once saved, exit the Settings menu to return to the app editor. Now, you should see a new Copilot option on the toolbar. Click on the Copilot button to launch the Copilot interface. In the Copilot interface, you'll find various templates and suggestions for automated workflows. Select a template that suits your workflow needs. Once you select a template, customize it. Follow the prompts to define specific triggers and actions for your workflow. After configuring your workflow, click on Submit to finalize the setup. Test your automated workflow by executing it within the app. Monitor the results to ensure the automation works as expected. If adjustments are necessary, revisit the Copilot interface to refine your workflow. Once satisfied with the functionality, you can publish the app for users. Your Power Apps Copilot is now fully activated for automated app workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.